Hello friends, today in subject maths chapter 1 real numbers. We will see exercise 1.3 and its solution. So question 1 is there. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expression each has. So question 1 is given. Few fractions are given that we have to write into 30 decimal form. So 36 by 100 simply we can write 0.36 and its type we have to write, so we can say that it is a terminating decimal. Now one more second question in that is there 1 by 11, so 1 divided by 11, so 0s are 9s are 99, 1 again 0s are again 9s are, so we can see that in 0909 repeating goes on 1, so 1 by 11 is 0.09 bar, and so we can say that it is non-terminating recurring decimal. The third question is given. All 1 by 8 means we convert into fraction. 8 for the 32 plus 1, 33 by 8. So 33 divided by 8. Then it will be 8 for the 32, 1 0, 8 1s are 8, 2 0, 8 2 are 16, 4 0, 5 are. So it is 4.125. And so it terminates after 3 digits, and so it is called finite decimal. Now it is given 3 by 30. So 3 divided by 30. Is it not possible? 30, 13 2s are 26, 4 0, 13 3s are 39, 1 0 is not possible, 0, 13 7s are 91, 9 0, 13 6s are 78, 1 2 0, 13 9s are 117 3 0. So here we can see that the repeating unit, and so 3 by 13 equals to 0.230769 bar. And so we can see here the digits are repeating and the decimal does not stop division, and so we can say that it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Now we have question 2. You know that 1 by 7 equals to 0.142857 bar. Then can you predict what the decimal expression of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. So here 2 by 7. We can write 2 multiply 1 by 7. That is means 2 multiply 0.142857 bar. So its multiplication will be 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, and 1 11, carry 1, 2 8s are 16, 1 17, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and so it is 0.28574. Now 3 by 7, then we can write 3 into 1 by 7. So 3 multiply 0.142857 bar. We multiply it, then 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 15 to 17, carry 1, 3 8s are 24, 1 25, 2, 3 2 are 6 to 8, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, 1 4, and so it is 0.4285 1.71. So we can see that here whatever number multiplied with the 1/7 value, we get its decimal form, and so further you can do yourself. Now we have question 3, write the p by q form. So first one is there 0.6 bar. So we can write 1 into 0.6 bar means 0.6666 goes on. So one digit we move back, then 10 into 0.6 bar, 6.6666 goes on. So we minus them, then 10 minus 1, 9 into 0.6 bar is equal to 6, and so 0.6 bar equals to 6 by 9, that is simplified. Then 2 3s are and 3 3s are, so 2 by 3. One more question is given 0.47 bar, where 7 only repeating, so that can be written as 1 into 0.47 bar is equals to 0.4777 goes on. Now first 4 is not repeating, so 10 into 0.47 bar is equals to 4.7777. Yet decimal parts are not equal, so one more digit will move back and it will be 100. 0.47 bar equals to 47.77777. So now we minus them. We minus them, then 47 minus 4, 43, and here 0.47 bar, and here we can write 100 minus 10, 90. So 0.47 bar is equals to 43 by 90. And the next one is there 0.001 bar, so that can be write 1 into 0.001 bar equals to 0.001001, like that way. So 3 digits will move back, then 1000 into 0.001 bar equals to 1.001001, like that way. And so it is 999 into 0.001 bar equals to 1. And so 0.001 bar equals to 1 bar 999. Now next question 4 is the 0.99999 bar. 999 goes on, write in p by q form and discuss about its answer. So 0.999 means 0.9 bar, and so 0.99999. Now one digit we move back, then here it will be 10 into 0.9 bar equals to 9.99999, and so it will be 9 into equals to 9, and so 0.9 bar equals to 9 divided 9, 1. So here we are getting one answer, which is a finite number. Because of here 0.999 is a decimal form which is very close to 1, and so approximate answer we are getting 1. Now question number 5 is that what can the maximum number of digits be in a repeating flock of digits in the decimal expansion of 1/70? So here 1/70. So 1/70, so as per we have discussed, the repeating part has the digit. So divisor is the 17, so maximum 16 digits can be in its repeating unit, and this division you can do and check it. Question 6 is that locate several examples of rational number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1. Having terminating decimal, can you guess what property q must satisfy? So here we can see that some examples 0.125, 0.2, 0.45 like this way. So these are the terminating decimal. So 41 to 5 by 1000. So 1000 factorization we write. It is 2 cube into 5 cube. Here 2 by 10. So we can write that 2 into 5 and 45 by 100. We can write that 2 square into 5 square. Means if we simplify them, then 125, that is 25 5s and here 25 40s. Again we simplify 1 by 8 we are getting, so 8 form is 2 cube and 2 5s so we getting 1 by 5, so only 5 and 45 100 we simplify it, then 9 by 20 it is 2 square into 5. So we can see that either it contains only 2 power into 5 or 2 square into 5. So the q must have property that it contains 2 raised to m, 5 raised to n type format, where m and n are any non-negative integers. Now we have question, right? 3 numbers whose decimal expansion non-terminating, non-recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring. So we can write any numbers 2.37, 377, 3777. These are all we can write. We can write 1.98, 988, 9888. We can write 3.12478964388. We have to write such numbers which cannot repeating in the decimal part. So many numbers we can write. Now here it is said that write 3 numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, which are irrational numbers. So first we have to find out decimal form of 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So 5 divided by 7. Then 7 zeros are 7 sevens are 49, 1 0, 7 ones are 7, 3 0, 7 fours are 28, 2 0, 7 twos are 14, 6 0, 8s are 56, 4 0, 5s are 35, 50. So we get 0.714285. Goes on. Now 9 by 11 p by q form we write, sorry, decimal form. 9 divided by 11, zeros are 8s are 88, 2 0, 1s are 11, 9 0, 8s are 88, 2 0. So it goes on repeating, and so it is 9 by 11 equals to 0.81 bar. So we have to write 0.71 and 0.81 between numbers. So we can write 0.72, 722, 722 like this way. We can write 0.75683497 goes on, and so many irrational numbers we can write. Now the last question 9 is that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So first one is root 23, which is prime numbers root, and so it is irrational number. Root 2 to 5, it is a square root of 15. Sorry, and so it is a rational number. 0.3796, it is finite decimal, and so it is also rational number. 7.478478, it is repeating, means non-terminating recurring decimal, so it is rational. And 1.10, 100, 100, non-recurring non-terminating decimal is there, and so it is irrational.